Shadow work is a powerful and transformative practice that allows us to explore the hidden aspects of ourselves, often parts we may prefer to ignore. These hidden aspects, called the shadow, reside within our subconscious and influence our behavior, emotions, and world perception. By engaging in shadow work, we can unlock a path to personal freedom, emotional growth, and true self-mastery. Additionally, learning to work with your shadow can help you get closer to your goals, improve your relationships, and create the life you desire. The psychologist Carl Jung coined the term shadow. He described it as the unconscious part of our personality that our conscious mind may reject, suppress, or deny. In simple terms, the shadow includes traits, feelings, and memories we have repressed or disowned because they are uncomfortable, painful, or socially unacceptable. This may involve emotions like anger, jealousy, selfishness, or past traumas that we wish to avoid addressing. Rather than disappearing, these suppressed parts accumulate in the subconscious, forming a shadow that influences our lives without conscious awareness. Notably, the shadow isn't inherently wrong or harmful. It is simply the part of ourselves that we don't typically show to the world or even acknowledge. Shadow work involves recognizing, confronting, and integrating the repressed aspects of ourselves. We become more aware, accepting, and empowered by bringing these hidden parts into the light. While this journey can be challenging, it is crucial for achieving accurate self-awareness and ultimately gaining control over one's life. Why is shadow work important for the subconscious? The subconscious mind is a powerful force that shapes our beliefs, behaviors, habits, and even our self-image. Our subconscious thoughts and beliefs are often formed during early childhood or through traumatic experiences. Over time, these hidden beliefs influence how we think, feel, and act, often without conscious awareness. When we refuse to confront our shadows, we create inner conflicts that can limit our potential. For example, if someone suppresses feelings of anger, that emotion may manifest in unhealthy ways, such as resentment, bitterness, or passive-aggressive behavior. These behaviors can strain relationships and create obstacles to success and fulfillment. Shadow work allows us to explore the subconscious, uncover these hidden aspects, and ultimately reprogram and heal ourselves. Embracing and integrating the shadow can lead to numerous benefits. Greater self-awareness. Shadow work helps you understand yourself more fully, including the parts you may have hidden or ignored. This self-awareness empowers you to make conscious choices and break free from destructive patterns. You enhanced emotional intelligence. By understanding your emotions, even the darker ones, you learn to respond rather than react. This awareness fosters greater empathy for yourself and others. Improved relationships. When you stop projecting your shadow onto others, your relationships can become healthier and more authentic. This honesty leads to deeper connections with yourself and those around you. Release from limitations. Acknowledging your shadow can help you let go of limiting beliefs and behaviors. This process creates a sense of inner freedom and opens you up to new possibilities in life. They increased confidence and empowerment. Embracing all parts of yourself, including the shadow, leads to greater self-acceptance. This newfound confidence and self-assurance can empower you to pursue your goals without self-sabotage. How to use shadow work to get everything you want in life. Once you have decided to embark on your journey into shadow work, here are some practical steps to help you uncover and integrate your shadow, setting you on a path toward achieving your life's desires. Identify your triggers. Triggers are powerful, emotional reactions to external events or people, often indicating unresolved issues within your subconscious. For instance, if you frequently feel envious when you witness someone else's success, this may reveal insecurities or feelings of inadequacy within yourself. By paying attention to these triggers, you can identify aspects of your shadow that need acknowledgement. How to practice. Keep a journal and note the moments you experience intense emotions such as anger, jealousy, or fear. Reflect on why you felt that way. Was it a specific action or comment? Was it a familiar feeling? This reflection is the first step toward understanding your shadow. Practice self-reflection and honesty. Shadow work requires radical honesty with oneself. It requires you to reflect on your behavior, thoughts, and emotions without judgment. This practice helps you observe recurring patterns that may sabotage your goals or relationships. How to practice. Set aside quiet time to journal about specific incidents that made you uncomfortable. Ask yourself difficult questions. Why do I act this way? What am I avoiding? What would happen if I acknowledged this part of myself? Through self-reflection, you bring these hidden aspects of your personality to light. Embrace your negative emotions. A core aspect of shadow work is learning to accept and integrate all your emotions, even those considered harmful. Anger, jealousy, sadness, and fear are natural human experiences. By accepting these feelings instead of suppressing them, you can process and release them. How to practice. When you experience a strong emotion, please take a moment to sit with it. Allow yourself to feel it fully without pushing it away. Ask yourself what this emotion is trying to tell you. For example, anger might signal that someone has crossed your boundaries, or jealousy might indicate unmet desires. By listening to these emotions, you can make conscious changes. Reframe negative beliefs. Often, our shadow contains limiting beliefs that we adopted during childhood or from painful experiences. These beliefs can prevent us from achieving our goals and dreams. Shadow work involves identifying and reframing these beliefs to empower ourselves rather than restrict us. How to practice. Write down your limiting beliefs about yourself, such as, I am not good enough or I don't deserve success. Challenge each of these beliefs by asking. Then, replace each negative belief with a positive affirmation, such as, I am worthy of success. Regularly repeating these affirmations can help rewire your subconscious mind. Shadow work is not a one-time activity, but a lifelong journey. By consistently acknowledging, understanding, and integrating the shadow aspects of yourself, you create a foundation for personal growth and fulfillment. Embracing all parts of yourself, both light and dark, brings you closer to an authentic and fulfilling life. When you master shadow work, you become more aware of your subconscious mind and its influence on your actions, choices, and relationships. This awareness enables you to align your life with your desires, let go of self-sabotage, and make space for abundance and success. Ultimately, shadow work isn't about fixing yourself but embracing every part of who you are. Through this self-acceptance, you unlock the true power of your subconscious mind, allowing you to create a life that aligns with your deepest desires and goals. With each layer of the shadow you uncover and integrate, you move closer to realizing your full potential and living the life you have always dreamed of. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.